yeah. And the parades are coming up. That one already happened, but they do that the first Friday of first Saturday of every month. So it ends next month. You missed that. That was last week.
There you go. I was telling him about the, like right before you came, we was talking about like the supercharger he did. Oh, look at the fender.
The rescue wagon. It's on the Lenovo Road.
Oh look, Papa, that's the car I was talking about. Guess for a Volkswagen Guess for.
Oh, I see, yeah.
Yeah.
Like that's a real dune buggy. Like they turned it into the desert racers.
Oh, and this thing got a Hayabusa engine. You see this one over here? Got a Hayabusa engine.
They do that in PR, bro. Crazy races in PR. They go up the mountain.
That's gorgeous. Batman.